Okay, this is weird. Me trying to walk and talk at the same time, but I'm just gonna try. So I am trying to do this kind of like a lifestyle video. This is me trying to showcase what happens behind organizing a user group. And to be honest, today it's not only hosting, but I'm also presenting. So I'll see how much I could capture and how it goes. But basically, after a working day, I started around 4 to go to London, where the user group is. Like an hour away from the by train. So yeah, this is me walking to the station. Sounds so weird. We're back here. Just got off the train and going back home. It was a really successful user group. It's very, very nice to see so many people, and the session by Gigi, it was fantastic. Really, really loved it. And I think my session went well too, which is always a plus point. And it's like, what's the time now? It's like 10ish. And yeah, that's tired. That's the day finished. But I didn't manage to capture everything I wanted to capture. Like, we usually have a lot of socializing things happens, like a lot of Q&A goes on after the session. But yeah, I didn't manage to capture it. I actually forgot that I was going to do this recording. Yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think about this. This is an experimental video style. So yeah, I hope it's fun, and I'll see you in the next video.